Good morning, students. Class 8 Social Studies, Civics Chapter 5 Judiciary. Till now, we have read about what is the role of the judiciary and what is an independent judiciary. Today, we read about the structure of courts in India. There are three different levels of courts in our country. There are several courts at the lower level, while there is only one at the apex level. Apex means the topmost part. The courts that most people interact with are what are called subordinate. Subordinate means which are at the lower position, or district courts. These are usually at the district or tehsil level or in towns, and they hear many kinds of cases. That means the cases which they hear are a kind of, you can say, minor cases. Each state is divided into districts that are presided. Now, word presided means being in the position of authority in a gathering or meeting who takes decisions over by a district judge. That means the decisions here in the district courts are taken by district judge. Each state has a high court, which is the highest court of the state. At the top is the Supreme Court that is located in New Delhi and is presided over by the Chief Justice of India. The decisions made by the Supreme Court are binding on all other courts in India. Now, by the word binding, you understand as if we take an example of a book, the upper and lower part of the books, that the covers are binding up all the pages. Similarly, the decision made by the Supreme Court are binding on all other courts in India. Are these different levels of courts connected to each other? Yes, they are. In India, we have an integrated judicial system, meaning that the decision made by higher courts are binding on the lower courts. That means integrated words can be explained as various groups coming together. Binding on the lower courts we have read. Another way to understand this integration is through the appellate system that exists in India. Appellate system means application for a decision to be revised. Okay, so this means that a person can appeal to a higher court if they believe that the judgment passed by the lower court is not just. Let us understand what we mean by the appellate system by tracking a case, state, Delhi administration versus Lakshman Kumar and others of 1985 from the lower courts to the Supreme Court. In February 1980, Lakshman Kumar married 20 years old Sudha Goel and they lived in a flat in Delhi with Lakshman's brother and their families. On 2nd December 1980, Sudha died in hospital due to burns. Her family filed a case in court. Her family means the girl's family. When this case was heard in the trial court, 4 of their neighbors were called in as witness, यानी जिन्होंने या जिनको किसी तरह की जानकारी हो इस पर्टिकुलर केस के बारे में, that is witness. They stated that on the night of December 1st, they had heard Sudha scream and had forced their way into Lakshman's flat. यानी उन्होंने सुधा की चीखें सुनी थी जिस वजह से वो फोर्स हो गए थे कि लक्ष्मण की फ्लैट की तरफ गए थे. They there saw Sudha standing with her sari in flames, यानी उसकी साड़ी में आग लगी हुई थी. They extinguished the fire by wrapping Sudha in a gunny bag and a blanket. Sudha told them that her mother-in-law Shakuntala had poured kerosene oil on her and that her husband Lakshman had lit the fire. During the trial, members of Sudha's family and a neighbor stated that Sudha had been subjected to torture by her in-laws and that they were demanding more cash, a scooter and a fridge on the birth of the first child. That means they were thinking that these may be the reasons why she is put on fire. As part of the defense, Lakshman and his mother stated that Sudha's sari had accidentally caught fire while she was heating milk. Now they are trying to defend themselves that it happened suddenly. It was a kind of accident of, you can say, kitchen, but they didn't do anything. On the basis of this and other evidence, the trial court convicted Lakshman. That means they were declared guilty, his mother Shakuntala and his brother-in-law Subhash Chandra, and sentenced all 3 of them to death. That means trial court has convicted them You can say declared guilty, and they three were put into prison. In November 1983, the three accused went to the High Court to appeal against this verdict of the trial court. यानी जो डिसीजन ट्रायल कोर्ट में हुआ वो उसके अगेंस्ट हाई कोर्ट में गए अपील करने के लिए, अपने आप को बचाने के लिए. The High Court, after hearing the arguments of all the lawyers, decided that Sudha had died due to an accidental fire caused by the kerosene stove. Lakshman, Shakuntala and Subhash Chandra were acquitted. They were, you can say, judgment was done in their favor, not found guilty. You may remember the photo essay on the women's movement in class 7 book. You read about how in 1980s women group across the country spoke out against dowry deaths. जो डाउरी यानी दहेज के लिए जो डोमेस्टिक आप कह सकते हो वायलेंस होता था लेडीज़ पे, उन्हें ज़िंदा जलाया जाता था, उसके अगेंस्ट वुमेंस ने बहुत बड़ा प्रोटेस्ट किया था 1980s में. दे प्रोटेस्टेड अगेंस्ट द फेलियर ऑफ कोर्ट्स टू ब्रिंग दीज केसेस टू जस्टिस. यानी उन्होंने कोर्ट के अगेंस्ट ये आप कह सकते हो आंदोलन किया था कि उनका जो जस्टिस है यानी जो वो न्याय कर रहे हैं, डिसीजन है, वो गलत है. The above High Court judgment deeply troubled women, and they held demonstrations and filed a separate appeal against this High Court decision in the Supreme Court. यानी जब उन्होंने ट्रबल करने की कोशिश की इन वुमेंस को, तो इन्होंने अपना जो केस है वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में फाइल किया थ्रू द इंडियन फेडरेशन ऑफ वुमेन लॉयर. In 1985, the Supreme Court heard this appeal against the acquittal of Lakshman and the 2 members of his family. Acquittal was again that the judgment was that person are not guilty. The Supreme Court heard the arguments of the lawyers and reached a decision that was different from that of High Court. They found Lakshman and his mother guilty, but acquitted the brother-in-law Subhash because they did not have enough evidence against him. यानी सुभाष को छोड़ दिया गया था क्योंकि उसके अगेंस्ट कोई भी ऐसा एविडेंस नहीं मिला, बट लक्ष्मण और उसकी मदर को गिल्टी फाउंड किया गया. द सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिसाइडेड टू सेंड द अक्यूज टू प्रिजन फॉर लाइफ. सो ये था एग्जाम्पल जो स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कोर्ट्स होता है कि अगर एक कोर्ट में डिसीजन में पब्लिक को लगता है कि वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं है, दे कैन मूव ऑन टू द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. सो यू रीड टिल हियर, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज regarding the content which we have read till now, let me know in the feedback in our WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you class.